Any mention?
May I please, Lordship, Lordship, I beg to mention item 17. The conducting senior counsel is on sanction leave, Your Lordship, so I pray for
I have no objection.
3 weeks.
Sir is on leave.
Sanction leave. 3 weeks time, Your Lordship. 3 weeks time. Yes, Your Lordship.
I have no objection.
No objection. 17 at the request made.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, I would like to mention item number 15, Your Lordship. It is a hearing matter, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Mr. M. Chanda was supposed to argue the matter, Your Lordship, but unfortunately he is not keeping well, Your Lordship. We have taken consent from the other party, Your Lordship.
You have no objection. Yes. When do you want it?
2 weeks time may be granted, Your Lordship.
No objections, Your Lordship.
All right. Yes. 2 weeks at the request made. Yes. Yes.
Deeply obliged, Your Lordship.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 16. Kindly let this matter come after 2 weeks.
No objection. Yes.
Please, Your Lordship. I beg to mention item number 21, Lordship.
Yes.
I'm for the private respondent number 4, Lordship.
I'm for the state, Your Lordship.
What is the matter about?
It's regarding the quashing of FIR, Lordship.
No objection.
No.
Yes.
No objection.
This is your for respondent.
Number 4, Lordship.
This will be just see. This will be after. When do you want it?
2 weeks, Lordship.
This over 2 weeks at the request made on the number 4.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 19, Your Lordship. I pray let the matter be taken up after 2 weeks. To the private respondent, Lordship.
Objection for the state. No objection. 19 also. This also. Well, 2 weeks.
Yes, sir.
2 weeks.
Right.
At the request of the petitioner. Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship? I beg to mention item number 14, Your Lordship. I pray this matter may come up after 3 weeks, Your Lordship.
No objection, Your Lordship.
Any interim order here?
Your Lordship, they were supposed to file an application because they're withdrawing as a counsel, Your Lordship.
Is it? Here in this matter?
Yes, Your Lordship.
So you are not doing that. You are asking for time.
Yes, Your Lordship. We need some more time.
So you are not withdrawing yourself.
We'll be withdrawing, Your Lordship. But
Then once
there's
you
some
make the prayer before the court and thereafter, how you will again appear? Yes. Any
No
objection?
objection, Your Lordship.
No. When do you want it?
after 3 weeks, Your Lordship.
2 weeks. What? Petitioner. Yes.
I'll be obliged,
Lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 22, Your Lordship. I kindly pray for 2 weeks' time, Your Lordship.
22.
Yes, Your
Yes.
Lordship.
Who is the other side?
We have no objection, Lordship.
Yes. 2 weeks.
2 weeks' time.
Yes. 22 also. Same order.
Deeply obliged.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 18.
Item?
18. The conducting counsel of station, Lordship.
Your Lordship, I'm appearing for respondent number 1.
And you are objecting?
No objection, Your Lordship.
Yes. When do you want it?
After 2 weeks, Lordship.
18 also. See? Yes.
Please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 20. I pray this matter may come after 3 weeks.
And for the state, my lord, I have no objections.
What is this matter about?
Quashing of FIR, my lord.
Foxo matter. And what is the ground?
Since there is some related issue with pending before the division bench, Your Lordship.
So that is on the that
Compromise.
consent.
Yes, Your Lordship.
After 3 weeks.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Deeply obliged.
May I please, Your Lordship, I beg to make a mention of item number 8, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, the matter is pending in Apex Court, Your Lordship. This is with regard to the CMG University.
Yes. Item 8.
Item 8, Your Lordship.
I'm appearing for the CMJ University. I think it's item
May I
number
please, Your
3.
Lordship? May I please, Your Lordship? I am appearing for item number 10 and 12. 7 to 13 is connected matter, Your Lordship. I am appearing on behalf of Dr. P. Agarwal for UGC.
This is 7 to 13 are connected matter.
Connected matters, Your Lordship.
And Dr. Agarwal is appearing for?
UGC, University Grant Commission.
Okay. These are, who is appearing for the?
In item number 10 and 12, Your Lordship.
Your Lordship, for number 8, I am appearing, Your Lordship, for the petitioner.
Now all these matters are pending before apex court.
Yes, yes, Your Lordship.
Now the leave has been granted. I am appearing in item number 3, my lords.
Yes.
That is CMJ University. Now leave has been granted by the Supreme Court on 20th of August, and the hearing has been expedited. The notice is still not being issued in this matter. If the reply of the state can be filed, my lord, it will be very convenient, even though the fate of this
but then
would ultimately depend.
All along this matter is pending before apex court.
Yes, now it will remain pending because the leave has been granted. This may have a small bearing on the other matter pending in the Supreme Court. Supposing the matter is kept on pending, my degrees have been invalidated. The state has not even filed a response in this matter. Neither this issue is actually vindicated in that matter.
This matter was kept pending, so where is the question of filing any response by the state? Once it is pending for because of the reason of pendency in the apex.
Otherwise,
we'll wait for
otherwise there is the issue which we have raised in this matter.
Since the matter is pending, Your Lordship, we may have it after.
You want to wait for the outcome?
Your Lordship.
Okay. So that all these matters will be listed together.
7 to 14.
Yes, sir.
7 to 14,
Item 3, 7 to 13, Your Lordship.
7 to 13, my lord.
Item 3, 7 to 13, that will be same order.
Yes.
Honored counsel for the parties submit that the matter pending before the apex court is yet to be disposed of.
And the
Your
leave has been
Lordship,
granted.
name
Once
will
the
be
leave
recorded,
has
Your
been
Lordship.
granted in the Supreme Court, matter may not come up so quickly.
See, Mr. We are saying that it is pending before apex court, nothing more than. If it is leave granted,
It is pending. It's very well.
Your Lordship, name may be recorded. I am appearing
this
for
will come
on behalf of
automatically, Mr. That's all I say.
Lordship.
I think too much. Yes. What do you say? This matter.
For item 3, 10 and 12, Your Lordship.
This is a problem. You see.
I am appearing for item.
You see. Please quiet, Mr. Quiet for some time, Mr. Yeah, just a video submission. Leave this after 8 weeks
8 weeks.
Grateful.
to await the outcome of the matter pending before the apex court.
Grateful much.
Please, Lordship. Should I beg to make mention of item 23, Lordship? On behalf of Ms. Sarna Tai, Lordship, legal aid counsel.
Item 23.
Yes, Lordship.
We have no objection.
2 weeks.
2 weeks, Lordship.
This okay. At the request of the petitioner. Yes.
Obliged, Lordship.
Item number 1.
Wait, please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
My lord, I would like to withdraw this matter, my lord. It's been wrongly filed as a revision, my lord. The revision is not maintained.
Second revision is not.
It's not maintained. Right.
Mr. Mr. Yes, he is Gautam. Lord counsel for the petitioner. Please, what was the matter? In view of the prayer, the matter stand dismissed on withdrawal. Yes.
Wait, please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
This is an application under, my lord, 528 of the PNSS, my lord, similar to an application under section 482 of the previous code. My lord, here what has happened, my lord? An FIR has been lodged by my sister claiming that I have cheated my mother and induced her to
Your own sister.
my own sister, my own younger sister, induced her to give me some checks, which I have duly gone to my bank, transferred in my name. Now the allegation is that, my lord, I have cheated my mother, as well as there is an element of forgery. The mother has never gone before the police station, my lord.
Element of forgery means you, this thing,
No, my lord.
copied her signature and.
My lord, no, she says that, my lord, I have induced my mother to sign, to issue checks. So the question of forgery will not at all arise. And also, my lord, the question of cheating. The mother is not before the police. The mother is nowhere in the scene. My lord, the entire genesis of the case, my lord, arises from, my lord, a power of attorney granted in my favor. If my lord will come to page 25.
25.
25, my lord.
What is the case register? Under what section?
Under 420 and 468, my lord, cheating and forgery. Now, my lord, page 25, my lord, what happened, my lord? My mother, out of love and affection, and probably thinking that, my lord, I am in a better position to take care of my property, executed a power of attorney in my name so that I can collect rent from the tenants. My lord, this happened on the 12th of January 2024. Subsequently, my lord, of course, there was some differences between me and my sister, which led to the filing of an FIR on 25th January 2024. If we go through the contents of the FIR, my lord, the FIR is nothing but basically it is a claim for recovery of the money, which, my lord, the police cannot do. And, my lord, the entire question here, the only question remains here is, my lord, who is the victim in this case? My lord, this is not
power of attorney.
My lord.
Basically is with regard to the power to collect rent.
Collect rent, my lord.
Nothing beyond.
Nothing
So
beyond.
It's a special power of attorney.
Special power of attorney. Well, because what has happened, my lord,
Then where is the FIR?
FIR is at page 21, my lord. Type copy will lordship will find at page 18. If I may read the FIR, my lord. Page 18, if lordship is at page 18.
Yes.
I have the honor to inform you that the hard-earned money of my mother, Srimati such and such, maintained in the State Bank of India, account number such and such, Yodo branch, was fraudulently withdrawn from time to time. The opposite money in the bank account of my mother is meant for a medical treatment and welfare of her children. Recently, I updated the passbook of my mother, being SBI account number such and such, found that substantial amount of money had already been withdrawn by my sister, Miss such and such, and transferred to her account, and from her account, it has gone to the account of some persons
You
with
research
whom
separately.
we live in the same house. Interestingly, my lord, we live in the same house. With two young children, my lord, I am also pursuing my graduation. My lord,
You are elder sister.
I am the elder sister. So, my lord, what I say, my lord, if lordship, I will not read the entire
You are
FIR.
residing under the same roof and then fighting a litigation.
My lord, such is the world now today, my lord. And the fact is, my lord, how can an FIR be registered for cheating under 420 and 468 when the checks are not forged at all?
Just proceed. Just proceed.
So, my lord, should I read the entire FIR, my lord?
No, just come to the thing. Gist of allegation. Where
Well, I will come to that, my lord. The allegation here is that, my lord, I have somehow induced my mother to
yes.
give me checks. So, my lord, if my mother may have in whatever way given the checks to me, if she was in any way.
Mother has not come forward to file the FIR.
Well, that is the case, my lord. The mother never wants to file an FIR against me. Now they take a plea that the mother is suffering from mental illness, and so even her statement cannot be recorded. Now, from January till
Is
date,
there any medical certificate?
well, I don't see anything, my lord. There is nothing at all. The only thing that they have shown.
Yes, Mr. Khan, how FIR? When the person who is cheated or who has been fault has not come forward, how can this kind of FIR be entertained?
Lordship is correct. Something is, but Lordship at this stage they have made
Will issue
notice. Let us see the response.
Just praying for notice today.
It's very unusual, you see, like two sisters fighting, residing under the same roof, and the matter reaches High Court.
Very.
You have made the other sister a party.
I'm sorry, my lord.
You have made the other sister a
Yes,
party.
yes, my lord. I'm just praying for issuance of notice today, my lord.
That will do. We will issue notice.
I will not even pray for staying of the proceedings because, my lord, they are not doing anything. The only endeavor was to seize my bank account from January till date. Nothing has happened.
Hard, Mr. Issue notice. Returnable 3 weeks. Mr. K. Han, along with also appears for respondent number 1. Respondent 1 and 2. Stop. The petitioner shall take steps for service of notice of the respondent number 3 within 2 days. List after 3 weeks.
Much obliged.
We should settle. See, these are not a pleasant thing to happen.
We want to, my lord. Very unfortunate. Very, very unfortunate.
There may be some issues in relation to share of property of mother. Why by filing FIR?
Well, I am not the one who filed the
Now
FIR.
Mr. Khan is there. He will help you to
I am sure. मजे बोलो.
Item number 4.
My lord, I have filed one affidavit, and in that I pray that I may be allowed to issue notice to
You
respondent.
file an
2
affidavit
and
on behalf of this? What affidavit you file?
on 6th. In the affidavit, I have stated that I want since the all the
No, what affidavit you have filed? What is the affidavit?
I filed it on 6th. Whether it has copy not given to me yet.
What is the last order?
That I have to file one affidavit stating about the service of notices to
And
all.
then what your affidavit says now?
Your Honor, 1 and 3 has received, they are appearing. 2 and 3, regarding 2 and 3, all the 5 and 6, 1 and 4 1 and 4 are appearing. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 2, 3, they were all sent in the same address, in the address of respondent 2. They were returned, 5, 6, 7, 8 were returned. That means they have received it actually. But even then, I want to issue a fresh notice to 2 and 3.
If it is
Because I
returned
lost
or
the-
if it is refused, does it say it is refused? Does it say it is refused?
No, not really. That is not the.
You do not understand.
Actually, I have lost the counterfoil. I cannot track those two now.
That is this.
That's why
see,
I
we are
pray that I may
concerned
be
how
allowed
service
to
would be
issue
affected.
fresh notice to these 2 and
This
3.
is a difficult situation. Matter is pending for issuance of notice only. Your affidavit is not supported by anything.
That's what I said. I have lost everything during shifting from Nagaon to here. The relevant
You
papers.
have to obtain this thing from postal authority certificate. Go and ask for certificate of service.
They cannot without the cards, which I have lost actually. The counterfoils, the numbers, ID numbers were there. That's why I want to send one more notice to these 2 and 3.
And the others have been served.
And 5, 6, 7, 8, I have only the phone number and their name. I pray that I may be allowed to publish in a national paper with the name and the phone number
Then
only.
without knowing their place of residence, how will
That
know,
is why.
how we will know which newspaper is circulated in that area?
And the other thing is that these 4 are not actually necessary in this revision.
So you strike them, strike of their name, file an application. You cannot maintain 2 kinds of submissions at a time. Once you pray that you will be allowed to file, I will be issue notice through newspaper.
Yes, that's what
Second,
is
you
my
say they
prayer.
are not necessary.
That's what is my prayer. As a
one
last
is
chance,
your
I may be
prayer?
allowed to issue a notice
Mr.
in a
Bora, this
national
is very
paper.
difficult to understand you. See. It's very difficult. You shift from here to here. Once you say that they are not very necessary, if they are not necessary, strike off their name.
Yes, that I could do. I
You
think
file,
for the
file an application for
yes,
what
Your
is
Honor,
this?
I'll file an application
That
to
you
strike
do
off
it at your this
5,
thing.
6,
We are
7,
not
8.
recording anything at this stage.
Yes, yeah.
Now we'll just pass an order allowing you to take fresh steps with regard to all the respondents.
2, 3.
Why 2, 3, and what about 7?
1 and 4 are appearing.
1 and
4.
4. 1 is state.
Lordship.
4 is
Private, Your Lordship.
private respondent. And you have any idea about the other private respondents? They are not related to you.
No, Your Lordship.
Who are you? 4 is who?
2 and 3 are father and son.
Actually, Your Lordship, I'm here in this matter.
Who
we are
is
the
4? 4 is who? 4 is
Second owner of the
second
vehicle.
owner of the vehicle.
most of the things you do not follow proper procedure. You are hardly bothered about in which manner things should be done. Just file a case as regulation filing and then leave everything on the field. This respondent number 5, 6, 7 and 8, why they are under care of 2, 3 and 4?
Because actually it happened from the Facebook. these are the numbers and the names
No,
I
but then
got
you
from
see,
the-
your 2, 3 and 4.
The
2, 3
vehicle
and-
which they had sold
See,
was found with respondent 2.
So if you say they are under care of 2, 3 and 4, then you have sent their notice to whom? 2, 3 and 4 have different address.
No, why I have sent under care of respondent 2? These are the 4 persons who had taken the money from me in the Facebook online, and when the police
See, your
started searching,
your
respondent 2 came up
your
with
story
the
will not
vehicle
help.
in
Your
question.
petition says they are under care of respondent number 2, 3 and 4. Then who is under 2, who is under 3 and who is under 4? And 2, 3 and 4 have different addresses.
No,
At least 3 and 4 they have different addresses.
Two and 3 same address, they are father and son. 4 is different.
Asking about 5 and 8, mister. Come below what you have written
Yes,
below 5 and 8.
5 and 5, 6, 7, 8, we do not know their address.
So what you have written in your petition? Under care of?
Yes, ma'am. Why I have written
What
under
you have
care?
written? Read it, mister.
Under care of 2, 3 and 4.
Then who under what? See, what is the address of 3 and what is the address of 4?
That was under presumption that these...
Under presumption they have 2 addresses.
Yes.
Mister, we will dismiss it saying that you are not interested to take steps.
Well,
There is
about
no
5, 6, 7, 8, I'll strike off these...
Your attitude, your lackluster attitude, Mr.
I want to
This
strike
court
off
is
5, 6,
repeatedly
7, 8.
trying to point out the thing. You are not at all.
It started from 2, 3 and 4. They are the owners who
We are
came
not
to
at
the
all,
police.
not at all interested with the fact of the case at this stage. We are interested with the issue of notice. Nothing else. Your petition gives 2 address for this.
Regarding this petition, my lord, only 2, 3 are left. 5, 6 and 7, 8, I want to withdraw them because they are not concerned in this.
File an application.
Yes, my lord.
Who have not been served? 2, 3 out of 2, 3 and all?
3. I've received the copy. You just
1 and 4 appearing.
Yes,
So
my lord.
2 and 3 have not appeared.
Not appeared.
But then they have also not been served also. Okay. Heard Mr. PK Bora learned. No, PK Bora. Comma petitioner, the petitioner appearing person. You just say PK Bora. The PK Bora petitioner appearing person is present. Mr. PK Bora, sir. Miss so and so are present on behalf of restaurant number so and so. Then you say none appear for the just number 2, 3 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7 and 8. The petitioner prays for permitting him to file an application for deleting the name of correspondent number 5, 6, 7 and 8 from the array of parties as they are not much relevant for the adjudication of this case. Stop. He further prays for allowing him to take fresh steps upon restaurant number 2 and 3. Give a paragraph. We say the prayers made are allowed. This matter when
About 2 weeks.
after 2 weeks. Stop. In the meanwhile, the petitioner shall do the needful as indicated above.
Obliged.
Item number 5.
May it please your lordship. Your lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of Mr. A.R. Pasa. Your lordship, we have already filed our affidavit of service on respondent number 2 on 6th September.
What does it say?
Your lordship, it has been received by the respondent number 2, your lordship.
Where is the certificate? Have you attached any certificate from the
Yes,
postal
your lordship.
authority?
Yes, lordship, we have attached the certificate from the post office as Annexure C.
How many respondents are there in this case?
Two respondents, your lordship.
One is the state.
And this is the complainant.
Respondent was the complainant, Your Lordship.
And what is the case about? What is the offence involved here?
302.
302. Your Lordship, this is a case for discharge.
This is a 302 case.
Right.
You are seeking discharge in a 302 case. Why? There is no evidence at all.
Your Lordship, that is the.
Anyway, we'll just see. As per the order of this court. Just say, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that in compliance of order of this court, an affidavit of service in respect of service of notice upon the respondent 2 has been filed, showing the factum of delivery of notice upon the said respondent on 24/8/2024. However, none appeared when none appeared for the respondent 2 when the matter was called out. What shall we do now? Yes, Mr. Guru, help her. Shall we list it for hearing or matter can be listed for hearing?
No. Lordship, we can list it for hearing.
Give a paragraph as submitted by the parties. This is matter for hearing after 2 weeks. Or you say on the request of the parties, instead of giving us submitted by the parties, on the request of the parties, this is matter for hearing after 2 weeks. Yes.
Item number 6.
Yes.
My lord, I want some time to make the paperwork.
Yes.
Whether
That's the report has come. Okay, the office note indicates, the related office note indicates that trial court data has been received. The learned counsel for the appellant prays for. How long you take? How long you want to?
4 weeks, my lord.
We'll give you 3 weeks, and then if not done, then you will get.
Okay, my lord.
Learned counsel for the petitioner prays for and is granted 3 weeks time to prepare paperwork. Things like for preparation of paperwork in the matter. Thanks for preparation. Yes. List accordingly. No other.